Whole home surge protectors. Power surges can occur at any time without warning. In fact, the average home can experience 6 to 8 surges every day. These brief and often unnoticed power events can wreak havoc on your appliances, electronics, and even your home's electrical system, with causes ranging from severe weather to something as simple as turning on a high-powered device. Whole home surge protection is a proactive solution that goes beyond plug-in protector capabilities, acting as a shield for your home, absorbing excess electricity and preventing it from reaching devices. By smartly diverting excess voltage away from your electrical system, your HVAC system, kitchen appliances, and even sensitive electronics like computers and TVs remain protected during a surge. Professional installation of your whole home surge protection system is critical, ensuring it's correctly configured and compliant. A licensed technician will evaluate your home's electrical layout and install the optimal surge protection system tailored to your needs. Protect your home and everything in it from unexpected power surges. Call us today for local, expert surge protection you can trust.